This tutorial will cover the creation of octagonal footings and, once designed, its calculation sheet and detailed drawing. The procedure to design an octagonal job is similar to an isolated job. Its concrete and reinforcement and cover and soil design parameters are compressed into a single parameter called design parameters. Octagonal footing is normally used in industrial foundation, for example, to support a vessel. The analysis procedure is different than rectangular foundations such as isolated and combined because the geometric shape is octagonal. All of the required design parameters are shown here. Most of them are self-explanatory, including the strength of concrete, yield strength of steel, and soil bearing capacity. The user can enter a minimum and maximum bar size to limit the program's design options and allow the user to have control over reinforcement selection. Depth of soil measures from the bottom of the footing to surface level. If you wish to ignore the depth of water table, simply enter a very large depth well below the foundation to make it a non-factor. If a certain volume of the foundation is under the water table, then the program will include an uplift force equal to the buoyancy force of the concrete. Also, minimum stability ratios for overturning and sliding checks can be included. If set as default is set to yes, whenever a new octagonal job of the same type is created, its default design parameter settings will be set to the ones currently specified. The set as default setting is used for the design parameters and some global settings as well. For footing geometry, select the minimum and maximum allowable footing diameter and thickness. The diameter mentioned here is the distance between two opposite and parallel sides, as shown. Footing dimension increment specifies the increment in which the footing diameter and thickness are increased if the current design is insufficient. Click Design to design the octagonal footing job using current global and local settings. If these settings are changed, the job must be redesigned to account for the changes. Once designed, the calculation sheet, GA drawing, and detailed drawing become available. The calculation sheet specifies how each footing was designed. It includes detailed steps, figures, and references to the code which was used for design. This section gives a detailed account of the soil bearing check. As mentioned, necessary equations and code references are shown. Detailed drawing gives plan and elevation views for individual footings. The detailed drawing can be exported to CAD software such as MicroStation or AutoCAD using the Save Drawing As feature. Thank you for watching this tutorial.